Hi everyone, this is Jason and I'm so excited to introduce you to our high-quality aluminum sliding gates designed to provide both elegance and functionality, making them the perfect solution for a variety of applications, from residential homes to commercial complexes and industrial properties. Our aluminum sliding gates are crafted from premium-grade aluminum alloy, known for its strength and lightweight properties. This material is not only highly durable but also resistant to corrosion, which makes it an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor installations. Whether it is hot summer, rainy winters, or harsh wind conditions, our gates are built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. The sliding mechanism is engineered for smooth and quiet operation, ensuring ease of use every time you open or close the gate. Unlike traditional swing gates, our sliding gates save valuable space, offering a more efficient and practical solution, especially in areas with limited room for gate movement. One of the key advantages of our aluminum sliding gates is their versatility. Available in a range of size, color, and designs, we offer fully customized options to meet the specific needs of our customers. Whether you are looking for a sleek, modern look or something more traditional, we can create a gate that complements the style of your property while enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, our gates are designed with security in mind, with robust construction and advanced locking systems. They provide excellent security for your property, ensuring both privacy and peace of mind. Our gates are also equipped with features like anti-theft mechanism, making them a highly secure option for any premises.